An issue that has communities all across our coastline talking found its way to Raleigh today.
A panel including state and federal leaders met to discuss the future of offshore energy exploration. WNCN's political reporter Bo Minnick shows us how this is an issue that has some excited for the future and others concerned for it.
These are real people, real communities, real jobs that are at stake.
Some of those people were at this meeting discussing the prospects of offshore energy exploration in the Atlantic, including offshore drilling.
How do you drive economic success for the whole state? And this is the way to do that. This is one of the ways to do that.
Is it actually worth it? We just don't feel like it's the answer.
Opposing voices spoke inside the North Carolina Atlantic Energy Forum, which included the director of the Bureau of Ocean Energy Management, a federal agency that's gotten permit applications to do seismic surveying in the Atlantic.
It's about balancing the economic potential that this energy development can bring, the environmental consequences, the environmental impacts.
Long before any companies would drill in the Atlantic, there would be seismic testing done, sending sound waves through the ocean floor to see what lies beneath. Should offshore drilling happen, the American Petroleum Institute says it could mean billions to the North Carolina economy and tens of thousands of new jobs.
Let's get all the data in. Let's see what the seismic testing says. Let's see where the resources might be.
But more than 24 North Carolina coastal communities feel otherwise. They've opposed offshore drilling.
There's really no economic benefit that we could see that would even touch, the kind of impact that the tourism and what the pristine environment brings to our community.
Originally, some industry analysts believed we could see seismic testing for energy exploration in North Carolina as early as 2015. That didn't happen, and right now the timeline for when it would begin remains unclear. In Raleigh, Bo Minnick, WNCN News Now.